Hey guys, welcome back. Is your Windows 11 laptop or PC not going into sleep mode? In this video, I will show you how to fix it. Let's start with our first method. Right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on system. After that, on the right side, click on this option power and battery. Click on it. Now here, click on this option screen sleep. You will see these three options. The first option is turn my screen off after. This will only turns off the screen, nothing else. Your PC is still running in the background. So you can set this to 5 minutes or 2 minutes. The next option is make my device sleep after. So this is the actual sleep mode. You can set this to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The next option is make your device hibernate after. This is optional. You can set it to 30 minutes or even keep it disabled and apply the same in on battery. That's it. Cut this window and check. In the next method, open control panel, or you can right click on this Windows icon, then click on this run option. After that, type control, then click on OK. So this will open control panel. After that, go to this view by option, then click on this large icons. Now click on this option power options. Then click on this option change plan settings. Click on it. Then click on this option change advanced power settings. Click on it. You will see this kind of small window. Now you have to click on this sleep option, expand this option. Now you have to click on this option allow wake timers. Click on it, expand this option. Now you have to select disable in both the options. Okay. Then click on apply, then click on OK. That's it. Cut this window. In the next method, we are going to update display driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. Click on it. Now click on this option display adapters, expand this option. Now you have to update your graphic driver. Right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. So this will update your graphic driver. Click on close, and after that restart your system and check. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. Open control panel. Then click on this option power options. Then click on this option change plan settings. Click on it. Now you have to click on this option restore default settings for this plan. Click on it. Then click on yes. That's it. Cut this window and check. So these are the few methods you can try.